I would like to say a few words on what happened over the weekend. A gruesome crime was committed. 3 of Jamaica's children were murdered in the most savage way. High-powered weapons were used. And then the criminals resorted to destroying property, burning down houses in which the children perished. These criminals were not throwing stones. They weren't using knives and machetes. They were using weapons, small arms, that cost a lot of money. We must take the profit out of crime. Criminals must have no access to the financial system. And where they operate in the informal economy and in the backwaters of our country, we must find them and separate them from their illegal gains.